Now, auto insurance fraud is prosecuted under Penal Code sections 548, 549, 550, and 551. These cases are investigated by the California Department of Insurance, and if charges are filed, they're usually what we call wobblers. That means that they could be filed as either misdemeanors or felonies, depending on the circumstances and the amount of money in issue. And as a felony, they carry up to 3 years in jail or prison. So it's very serious. Nevertheless, these are cases where a lot of innocent people get wrongly accused. And I can tell you from experience that the investigators and agents at the Department of Insurance are very quick to point the finger at people when there's any suspicion, any appearance of impropriety, when in reality, many of these people acted in good faith and never intentionally did anything wrong. You would be well advised not to speak to the investigators at the Department of Insurance. If they call you, if they come to your home asking accusatory questions, cut the conversation off and seek counsel. The sooner we get involved, the more likely we can prevent the case from going to prosecution. I had a case recently where a couple called me and they were actually on their way down to be interviewed by agents at the Department of Insurance. And they were under investigation because their car was stolen and it was suspicious circumstances. And the agents were basically accusing them of being in on it, of staging the theft. They called me. I said, absolutely do not go down there. We intervened and became the liaison between them and the investigators. We made sure they did not make any incriminating statements. I provided the DA with alibi evidence to show where my clients were at the time of the theft, and ultimately there was no charges filed and nothing became of it. But had they gone to that interview with the investigators and not had counsel, I'm certain that the case would have been prosecuted.